In today's video, let's learn easy idli podi or idli chili chutney powder recipe which can be used as a side dish for idli, dosa, uttapam, and it's also an instant breakfast recipe option. And using this idli milagai podi, we will also learn a quick podi idli fry recipe with mini idli. Hi all, I'm Mano from Mano Cooks and welcome to my channel. So let's get started. So now let's take a pan and to the pan let's add half cup chana dal or kadale paruppu. Dry roast the dal on medium flame with constant stirring. Stirring dal continuously helps dal to get brown evenly. So we have to do this until dal changes to nice golden color. Please do not burn the dal while doing this. So now chana dal is nice and golden. Let's transfer to a bowl and keep it aside. To the same pan, let's add half cup urad dal or ulund. Urad dal and chana dal are taken equal in quantity here. So I have taken half cup each. You can use small cup or glass to measure the dal, but both the dal should be equal in proportion. Now the same way, let's continuously dry roast urad dal until golden. Remember to keep stirring them often. Now that urad dal is roasted and ready, let's transfer and keep it aside. To the same pan, let's add small teaspoon of oil and add 2 pinch asafoetida, followed by garlic. If it's big, you can add 5 of them, and if it is small, you can add 10, followed by handful of curry leaves. On medium flame, let's roast this until curry leaves turns crispy and garlic is roasted. The secret to prepare karam podi or instant side dish to idli and dosa is to keep patience and roast all the ingredients well until nice aroma comes. Now that curry leaves are crispy and roasted, let's add 2 tablespoons white sesame seeds or yellow to this. Let's roast everything again. Sesame seeds gets roasted very quickly, that's why we are adding it at the end. So watch out and roast that, and once done, let's transfer this to the bowl and allow it to cool down. And try not to change the color of all the ingredients or burn them. Now to the same pan, let's add a teaspoon of oil and fry the red chilies. Here I have taken Kashmiri dry red chili as it gives nice color and same time a balanced spiciness to the gunpowder as such. If you want, you can replace this with regular red chili as well. In that case, try adding 12 to 15 red chilies depending on your spice level and the spiciness of the chilies. Roast the red chili until it's nice and crisp. You can hear the sound of the crispy chili when you move them with spatula. Now let's transfer this to a separate bowl and allow everything to cool down. Once it cools down completely, let's take a mixie jar and grind this. First, let's add red chilies and grind them until coarse powder as you see in the video. After that, let's add the dal and all other ingredients and grind them to a coarse powder. You can make the idli podi into a fine powder if you like it that way, but mostly it is ground to a sand-like coarse powder. Finally, add 1 teaspoon salt to this and pulse it once again. So now our idli podi is ready. You can see how nice and vibrant and aromatic our idli milagai podi is done and ready. Let's spread this in a plate and allow it to cool down. And you can store this in a dry glass jar and use it whenever you need it. Usually this is paired with melted ghee or nallehnai or sesame seed oil to form into a wet chutney like consistency, which is then had as a side dish with idli, dosa or uttapam. Now let's prepare instant and quick breakfast with mini idli. This is very yummy recipe made with tiny mini idlis and they are really cute. I have prepared this fresh. You can surely use leftover idli and prepare the same recipe too. So I have taken 15 mini idlis here. Now to this I am adding 2 tablespoons melted ghee. Add half of that first. Next I am adding fresh idli milagai podi 3 tablespoons. You can add half of that now and finally add 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder. Now slowly and gently mix everything so that all the idlis are coated with the masala. Repeat the same with the leftover ghee and idli milagai podi again. I am not adding salt as the podi and the idli has the salt added to it already. If you want, you can add a pinch, but that's optional. Now let's leave the masala mini idlis aside. To prepare the podi idli fry, keep a pan and on medium flame let's heat it. Add 1 tablespoon oil to that and when it is hot, add half teaspoon chana dal followed by half teaspoon split urad dal followed by mustard seeds and allow the dal to brown and mustard seeds to crackle. After which add few curry leaves and along with curry leaves, let's add dry red chili. Fry all this for few seconds and now let's add our masala coated mini podi idli to the pan. And gently toss them and mix and fry for 2 to 3 minutes. You can see how colorful and vibrant and yummy it looks. This is such a treat to eyes. The bright red color is due to Kashmiri red chili powder and Kashmiri red chilies that we added while making the karam podi. Now to finish it off, add chopped coriander and let's serve it hot. I'm sure this is very yummy and instant breakfast recipe and can be made any day and enjoyed when you do not have a plan to make chutney or sambar. If you enjoy watching this episode and you love to see more, remember to like, comment and subscribe to Mano Cooks. Thanks a lot for watching and see you all in my next video.